Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Housefly. Classification of housefly. The housefly is in phylum Arthropoda. It is in class Insecta, order Diptera, and genus Musca, and the species name is Musca domestica. Other dipteras include the mosquitoes. Describe the habitat. Housefly, they stay in dirty and moist places. They feed on rotten food materials. And the economic importance is that they transmit disease-causing germs. The dorsal view. The dorsal view is when we are seeing it from above. When you are seeing it from above, it's what we call the dorsal view. And when you look at the dorsal view, there are very many parts that you can see. You can see the compound eyes, the antenna, the thorax, the wings, the legs. You can see the tibia, the tarsal, the femur, the abdomen, first leg, second leg, and many other parts. The lateral view. Lateral view, it's when we are seeing it from the sides. What we see on the lateral view of the head. The lateral view of the head, we see the eye, which is the compound eye. We can see the labium. We can see the maxillary pulps. These ones here on the labium. You can see the labellum, this part here, and pseudotrachea here, labellum, and then we can also see the antennae on top of the head. The mouth part. State the adaptations of the mouth part for its function. Now the proboscis is tubular and expanded at the tip. When you look at the proboscis, it is tubular and it is expanded at the tip. It is for sucking fluid foods, for splitting saliva on food material. We describe the body. When you look at the body is segmented and it is covered in an exoskeleton. It is hairy. If you look at it, you will see that the body is hairy and smooth and round. Label the parts. Part 1, that is the foreleg. Part 2, the antenna. 3, that's the compound eye. 4, the prothorax. 5, mesothorax. 6, metathorax. 7, that is the femur. 8, the abdomen. 9, the tibia. 10, mid leg. And 11, the hind leg. Draw and label the thorax of the housefly. We know the thorax is this part here. That is the thorax of the housefly. So a drawing showing the dorsal view of the thorax of a housefly. There is the first part, which is the prothorax, the one we see here. The second part, the mesothorax, middle part, and then the last part, which is the metathorax. It has the wings here attached to the mesothorax, and then there are alters which are attached on the metathorax. The wings, describe the wings. It has one pair of transparent membranous wing and one pair of halteres. These are the halteres and these are the membranous wings. The membranous wings are for flight. Describe the legs. The legs are small in size, highly jointed. They have claws at the end, have glandular pads. They have got glandular pads in between the claws, and they are hairy. If you look at them, they are hairy. The leg has got the coxa, trochanter, there is the femur, tibia, tarsi, and pretarsus. That is the drawing showing the hind leg of a house fly. State the adaptations of the leg for their function. The legs are small in size for swift movement. They are highly jointed for flexibility. You look, have different joints for flexibility. They have claw at the end for movement on rough surfaces. The claws, they are used for movement on rough surfaces. They have glandular pads for movement on smooth surfaces. Glandular pads there. And they are hairy. If you look at them, they are hairy for carrying germs. Describe the antenna. You have the antennas here. One pair of short, lobed and hairy. They are short, lobed and hairy to increase sensitivity. Jointed for flexibility. Thank you very much for participating in the housefly. Please do like, share, and subscribe.